Single-action revolver. One of the oldest handgun designs, the single-action revolver, became famous during the 19th century, especially in the American West. Before every shot, the shooter must manually cock the hammer, which rotates the cylinder and prepares the firearm to fire. Its simple mechanism makes it dependable and durable, and many modern examples are still used for sport shooting, collecting, and historical reenactment. Double-action revolver. This design allows the trigger to both cock and release the hammer in one motion, making it faster to fire than a single-action revolver. Many models also allow the hammer to be cocked manually for a lighter trigger pull when greater accuracy is desired. Double-action revolvers became popular with police officers throughout much of the 20th century because they combined reliability with quick operation. Break-top revolver. Unlike most revolvers that load through a side gate or swing-out cylinder, the break-top revolver opens on a hinge between the barrel and frame. This design automatically ejects spent cartridge cases as the firearm is opened, allowing faster reloading for its time. Although largely replaced by stronger modern designs, it remains an important step in the evolution of handguns. Top break automatic revolver. This uncommon variation combines the break-top opening system with mechanisms intended to improve speed and convenience. It appeared during a period when firearm designers were experimenting with different ways to make revolvers faster to reload before semi-automatic pistols became dominant. Today it is mostly remembered as an interesting historical design rather than a widely used handgun. Swing-out cylinder revolver. This is the most common modern revolver design. The cylinder swings to the side of the frame, allowing all chambers to be loaded or unloaded at once. Combined with speed loaders or moon clips, this system offers much quicker reloading than older revolver designs while maintaining the strong reputation for reliability that revolvers are known for. Pocket revolver. Built for easy concealment, pocket revolvers are compact handguns, designed to fit comfortably inside a pocket or small holster. Their shorter barrels and lighter weight make them convenient to carry, though they usually hold fewer rounds and have a shorter effective range. Even today, they remain a practical choice for discreet, everyday carry in places where civilian ownership is legal. Derringer. A Derringer is an extremely small handgun made for close-range use. Most traditional versions have 1 or 2 barrels and are simple to operate, sacrificing ammunition capacity for maximum concealability. These pistols became well known in the 19th century and are still produced today as compact backup firearms. Pepperbox pistol. Before revolvers became common, the pepperbox offered multiple shots by using several rotating barrels grouped around a central axis. Each barrel served as its own chamber, eliminating the need for a separate cylinder. While innovative for its era, it eventually gave way to more practical revolver designs that were lighter and easier to aim accurately. Single-shot pistol. The simplest handgun design, a single-shot pistol holds only 1 cartridge before it must be manually reloaded. Despite its limited capacity, it has been used for target shooting, hunting, survival, and training because of its straightforward construction and often excellent accuracy. Many modern examples are built for specialized sporting purposes rather than self-defense. Bolt-action pistol. Borrowing the operating system from bolt-action rifles, this unusual handgun requires the user to manually cycle a bolt after each shot. Few were produced in large numbers, but they found limited use in hunting, target shooting, and experimental firearm development. Their rarity makes them more interesting to collectors than to everyday shooters. Lever-action pistol. Instead of using a slide or bolt, this handgun cycles its action with a small lever beneath the frame. The design mirrors the famous lever-action rifle, though it never achieved the same popularity in handgun form. Most examples are valued today for their unique appearance and historical significance rather than widespread practical use. Pump-action pistol. This rare design chambers the next round by moving a sliding fore-end back and forth, similar to a pump-action shotgun. Only a handful of manufacturers have experimented with this system, making it one of the least common handgun types ever produced. It stands as an example of how firearm inventors explored many different operating methods. Semi-automatic pistol. The semi-automatic pistol uses the energy from each fired cartridge to load the next round into the chamber, requiring only 1 trigger pull for each shot. Detachable magazines provide greater ammunition capacity than most revolvers, and the design supports faster reloading. Today, it is the most common type of handgun used by military forces, law enforcement agencies, sport shooters, and many civilian owners around the world. Striker-fired pistol. Rather than relying on an exposed hammer, this pistol uses an internal striker to ignite the cartridge. The result is a consistent trigger pull from shot to shot and a streamlined design with fewer external parts. Its combination of simplicity, reliability, and ease of maintenance has made it one of the most widely adopted handgun systems in modern times. Hammer-fired semi-automatic pistol. This type uses either an external or internal hammer to strike the firing pin after the trigger is pulled. Depending on the design, it may operate in single action, double action, or a combination of both. Many classic service pistols around the world belong to this category, and they continue to be respected for their proven performance and mechanical versatility. Machine pistol. A machine pistol is capable of firing continuously while the trigger is held, unlike a standard semi-automatic handgun. Most models can also switch between semi-automatic and fully automatic fire. Their compact size provides high firepower at close range, but controlling recoil during automatic fire is challenging, limiting their practical effectiveness compared with larger shoulder-fired weapons. Target pistol. Designed primarily for competitive shooting, target pistols emphasize precision over concealability or high ammunition capacity. They often feature long barrels, adjustable sights, ergonomic grips, and carefully tuned triggers to improve accuracy. These specialized handguns are commonly seen in Olympic and international shooting competitions. Hunting pistol. Built to deliver greater power and accuracy, hunting pistols are intended for taking game at short to moderate distances. Many use large calibers or longer barrels to improve performance, and some are equipped with optical sights for precise shot placement. They offer experienced hunters an alternative to carrying a rifle in certain environments. Flare pistol. Unlike conventional handguns, a flare pistol is designed to launch signaling flares rather than bullets. It has long been used by sailors, pilots, rescue teams, and military personnel to communicate over long distances or request assistance during emergencies. Its purpose is safety and signaling rather than personal defense. Air pistol. Instead of using burning gunpowder, an air pistol launches projectiles with compressed air, carbon dioxide, or another source of stored gas. Many are used for recreational shooting, pest control, or competitive target sports. Their lower power compared with conventional firearms makes them suitable for training while still requiring careful and responsible handling.